Hey, listen, if you are thinking that you can cash out or make money online without having any skills, you are a liar. Read my lips, you are a liar. Same goes to parents. If your child has gotten to the age of a teenager and he or she is still strolling around on social media without getting any skills or value, you are not doing that child any good. Also, to students all around, if you think that you can navigate the Nigerian labor market without having an additional skill at hand, you are a joker. Also, if you are an entrepreneur and you think you'll be successful without online marketing, you are not wise. 80% category of people I mentioned above think that getting a high income skill involves much money, so they've allowed most of the opportunities slide past. We are aware of all that. That's why me and my team has put both our mental experiences, skills, and resources together to make a compilation series of courses or tutorials that are in form of videos. In this video tutorial, we teach number 1, how to run Facebook ads, 2, how to run Instagram ads, 3, how to do graphic designing using Canva, 4, how to create your free website or blog site, 5, how to get a free Canva Pro version of it, 6, how to create your Google My Business account. And the most interesting part of all this skill is that to get these packages is as free as 1,000 naira. I'm sure that everyone watching me now can afford that. Still, if you know that you are wise enough to spend 1,000 naira to acquire this packed tutorial or course and let this skill be in you forever, click on either the buy button, purchase, or learn more button, or any button you can find down below. Thanks.